In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the stochastic oscillator in MetaTrader 5. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to add it to your chart and what its main settings actually do, so you can read the indicator with confidence. First, let's quickly set the stage. The stochastic oscillator is a momentum tool that helps you gauge how strong recent price moves are relative to a selected look-back period. It doesn't predict the future, but it does help you see when price momentum is speeding up or losing steam. Now let's get it onto your chart. In MetaTrader 5, go to the top menu and click Insert. From there, hover over Indicators, then move to Oscillators and select Stochastic Oscillator. You'll see a small settings window pop up. For a clean, beginner-friendly start, stick with the common defaults. Set the %K period to 5, the %D period to 3, and slowing to 3. These values are widely used because they strike a practical balance between responsiveness and smoothness. Once those are set, click OK. You'll notice the stochastic appears in a separate panel below your main price chart. That's normal and helpful. It keeps your price action and momentum signals easy to distinguish. In this panel, you'll typically see two lines. The faster one is %K, and the slightly smoother line is %D, often called the signal line. Colors may vary depending on your chart theme, but the behavior is what matters. Here's what the settings mean in plain English. The %K period controls sensitivity. A lower %K, like 5, reacts faster to price changes, which can surface early shifts in momentum, but it can also get choppy. The %D period applies smoothing to %K. Think of it as a short moving average of the fast line that helps filter quick wiggles into a clearer signal. Slowing adds another layer of smoothing to %K before %D is even calculated, which reduces noise and makes the lines easier to interpret. If you're just getting started, the 5-3-3 combination is a solid default. If the lines feel too jumpy, consider slightly increasing slowing or %D for a calmer view. If they feel sluggish, nudging %K down can make them more responsive. Make small adjustments and observe how the indicator behaves on your time frame. That's it. You've added the stochastic in MT5, you know where it appears, and you understand what each setting controls. Start with 5-3-3, watch how momentum shifts, and build familiarity before tweaking. Thanks for watching, and happy charting.